Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it is possible because you don't have money, because you're broke? Today, I'm going to share with you how you can actually travel to Canada for free. And if this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where are you watching from? And to all of our returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for always liking my videos. And thank you for always sharing me out. If you are new here, don't make a mistake that a lot of newcomers do on this channel, which is they watch my videos and they forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell and do well to also share this video with your friends and your loved ones. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, while you're introducing yourself in the comments, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go to Canada together. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So, besties, have you heard of University of Toronto's Pearson Scholarship? Yes, so do you want to study in Canada absolutely for free? I'm talking full tuition, books, living expenses, everything covered. Welcome to your golden ticket, the Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship at the University of Toronto. So if you are a high school student with big dreams, this is your moment to shine. Let's get into the details. Now, what is the Pearson Scholarship? So guys, the Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship is one of the most prestigious full-ride scholarships for international students. They cover tuition, they cover books, incidental fees, and residence expenses, all for 4 years of your undergraduate degree. So besties, I just want to tell you, this is not just money. It is a life-changing launchpad. And in case you're wondering, who can apply for this scholarship? It is pretty simple, easy, and straightforward. You'll be surprised that you, as you're watching me, you qualify for this scholarship. Now, just so you know, this scholarship is for international students in their final year of high school. Yes, and you must be nominated by your high school. Yes, apply to U of T and then submit your Pearson application through their portal. Yes, only about 37 students are chosen. Yes, so it is super competitive, but your brilliance deserves this shot. And here is why it stands out. See, other scholarships might cover tuition, but Pearson is one of the few that covers housing plus incidental costs. You're essentially being supported in one of Canada's top universities and is ranked among the world's best universities, I tell you. And here is how to increase your chances of getting your admission. So guys, whether we like it or not, getting this scholarship means that you are standing out. And here is what helps. Number 1, exceptional academic results. Aim for top grades. Then your leadership and community impact. Volunteer, drive change, show initiative. Number 3 is creativity and global awareness. Go ahead and highlight how you will contribute at U of T and beyond. They also need outstanding applications. So research, recommendation letters, personal statements, make them shine. So guys, here is a step-by-step process that I need you to do right now. Ask your high school to nominate you, yes, for this scholarship. Then apply for an undergraduate program at U of T. Then fill out the Pearson scholarship application through the U of T's portal. Make every word count. Your journey must count, your ambitions, your leadership. This could land you a full ride scholarship beyond just paying for your tuition. They also pay for your housing, your accommodation for the 4 years of studying. So guys, if you are ready to study at one of Canada's leading universities without financial worries, put your best foot forward for the Pearson Scholarship. And like I said earlier, it is competitive. Very few people get picked, but it is not impossible for students who dare to believe. Now, are you going to take the shot? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fully funded opportunities. Now, guys, do you know that Canada is one of the best places you can travel in the world? In fact, first off, let's talk about the foremost factor: Canada's global reputation when it comes to education. Canada hosts some of the most globally respected universities whose degrees carry an undeniable weight across the world due to a consistently high quality and standard of education. Guys, among them are institutes like University of Toronto, McGill University, UBC, and the University of Waterloo. They offer a vast range of subjects to select from, and they also offer a co-op education model to integrate real-world work experience into the university education. Besides all of this, there are a range of universities with varying tuition fees across the country, as well as a broad spectrum of entry criteria that allows students from all backgrounds to apply. The tuition fees ranges between 15 to 40,000 Canadian dollars, and relatively it's more affordable. Yes, they have affordable options, and the scholarship opportunities are plenty. Yes, international students are also allowed to work 20 hours every week to support themselves during classes, and full-time during breaks without the need of an additional visa or permit. You also get PR advantage. Yes, you might be reading this, you might be watching this video right now, and you're wondering how this makes Canada so special and any better than the other 3 countries. Here is the thing: start making Canada stand out. I mean, did you know, for example, that studying in Canada directly contributes to the strength of your express entry profile? Yes, normally even highly qualified candidates that are applying for Canadian PR from different countries through the express permits, they fail to cross beyond the high 470s CRS score. But you know what? A Canadian degree is just that extra push that you need to cross beyond the threshold and become eligible to meet the cutoff scores and attract more provincial nominations. Do you know that upon successfully completing your studies in Canada on a minimum 2-year-long program, you also get a post-graduation work permit of an entire 3-year duration for programs that are less than 2 years in length? Yes, this means that by the time you have gained post-graduation work experience for even half of this duration, you're already strongly positioned for eligibility under the Canadian Express class. Yes, class of express entry applicants. Guys, on the one hand, CRS scores have been enhanced considerably, beyond the average scores of, a lot of applicants. While on the other hand, minimum cutoff scores under the Canadian Express class are generally lower than those for general draws. And this has become increasingly rare compared to targeted CEC and PNP draws. So guys, I want to tell you that you can switch from a study permit towards a permanent residency with this route. In this particular scenario, it becomes significantly easier for you because having a Canadian education can offer you an advantage with provincial nominee programs. Many of these can waive job offer requirements for local graduates. Couple all of that with perhaps a little extra effort to learn French during your studies. And by the time you graduate, you're already well on the pathway to PR, and eventually you become a citizen of Canada. I think Canada right now is one of they offer the fastest route to citizenship, and I can assure you, if you need to have that that can-do attitude. You need to believe in yourself and take this bold step. If you're in your final year of high school, ask your teacher to nominate you and also apply to this school. Put your best foot forward and tell them how you will impact the community when you travel, and so all the good stuff about you go ahead and put all of that in writing. If you need help from this end, if you need to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you can join my Patreon community. You can join my Patreon community on my channel membership, and then we can take it from there. And check out my previous videos, and don't forget to also introduce yourself if you're new here. Do also like this video, share this video, and tell a friend about the Lester P scholarship. Yes, Pearson scholarship in Canada. And of course, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to read from you. Till I see you in my next video, watch this video right here.